What is required to maintain your software? So the same process that happens when building a software is implemented here, but on a micro scale. If you need to just maintain your software, you need a very small team to keep an eye and making sure that the software runs smoothly. However, if you're looking to continually do user research and add features to the software, you need to have a product development team that can conduct those reviews, have those conversations with stakeholders, and discuss with the UX UI designer on the new features that can be implemented into the software. And when these features are designed, then they go into production by the engineering team. We think of building an extended version of the current application, then we need to have a larger team to work on product development and implementation simultaneously as a team working on maintaining the current application. Contact us today to give you a free consultation of what are the best options and methods to maintain your software application.